Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
T-Roc R-Line 1.5 litre TSI 150 PS comes available in a pure white finish and it looks fantastic. The car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle, with a clean exterior bodywork. You have your Valencia alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to the vehicle and a head-turning one at that. Powerful new mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres, and a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points at the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel has access to the immersive dashboard display. You have upgraded features like the keyless entry and keyless start, an upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for your summer travelling occasions, alongside the sole and flint grey interior upholstery. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and your navigation. To the left hand side you have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different settings to choose from. And into our driving modes selection, here we can see we have the 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and going into Individual, we can tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. Into our park distance control, we have our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. We can access this directly by popping the car into reverse, but you also gain access to the upgraded rear view camera as well, which does offer a much more safer experience. The heated seats provide an element of warmth and comfort with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. You have this dual climate control, which simply allows you to swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the blowers. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.